Hey guys, Oklahoma weather coming. I got a migraine, of course, today because the weather changed. I've been fighting my tooth hurting, but that's how it goes. But look how pretty the sunset is tonight. We do have a chance of tornadoes, large hail, and all that fun stuff tonight. Don't we, buddy? You gonna hide from it? You gonna hide? I don't blame you. In a minute, I gotta put my lawnmower up for the rain gets here. I gotta push it. My tooth hurts. So let me get this gate open so I can push my lawnmower around here. Got that open, don't we, buddy? Got that open. Alright guys, I'm going to push that lawnmower around here and then I'll get back with y'all, okay? I'm not going to be able to push it and wear this. I need to get my mount, I guess, where I can wear my mount and do it, but I'll be right back with you. Good morning, everybody. It's like 4:30 in the morning. We'd already ended the other film. It'll be coming out today. Yet we got another storm moving in. It's got a lot of lightning in it. Quite a bit of lightning, really. You see we got some water on the ground. It's still not a lot of water out here, but a lot of lightning. A lot of lightning in this storm. It actually woke me up. Getting a lot of rain. It's darker over there. The lightning's really what woke me up. I heard the thunder and everything, and I was like, oh my gosh, again? Clyde, he's up there on the porch. Ain't you, Clyde? Yeah, Clyde's trying to stay out of the water. This is what it's doing, guys. 4:30 in the morning. And this is Saturday night. Rain, rain, rain. And the lightning. We're getting quite a bit of rain. Got it all day today, tonight. I'm ready for it to go away so I can do some fishing. Hard on my internet right there. Hard on it. It's alright though. I guess we need the rain. Good sleeping weather, right? Here comes the thunder. Alright guys, just showing you what's going on. Saturday night, rainy night.
Hello, White Evans Adventure family. Out here, it is very cold. Some storms, but hopefully the Easter Bunny won't get wet. Guys, what's he gonna do with the eggs? It's gonna be submerged in water. It's gonna be water chocolate. Ew. But I just wanted to show you all this. Hopefully we get a big old lightning. But I thought this was pretty cool.
It is the next day, guys, and look. More rain, more storms. The yard is officially flooded. Getting a lot of rain. You hear Sarah's dogs. A lot of dark clouds out too right now. Got a lot of water. Logan and I done a lightning storm show for y'all last night. There's water in the yard all over right now. And I'll play that for you at the end of this video. Hope you enjoy it. It's on a time lapse, so hopefully you guys will really, really like that. But more rain, guys, so far today. It's a wet Easter. almost a flooding Easter. I imagine the creeks are really getting it right now. Let me check my tires, see how my tires doing. Be kind of interesting to know. Yep, it's got low again. It'll have to be aired up. You can see we got a lot of water. A lot of water. Hey guys, we're still getting a lot of rain. Wanted to show y'all kind of what we got going on out here. Look at our yard. Totally flooded. A lot of water in the yard. And the yard ain't even the most of it, guys, but I'm going to show you. You can see us running out of the yard right here. Running down into the road in front of our house. And check out the road in front of our house, guys. It's a lake. It's a river. Look at it run. This is the actual road in front of our house. You see it's just water. Check it out. We got a lot more rain coming. So it may really get pretty bad. You can see. And then out in the pasture here, got a creek running through the pasture. And I'm sure that's coming off the other road right there. There's Mr. Cow down there. Hear the thunder. It's still raining, it's still coming down. Ain't it, Clyde? Clyde's out here with me. And you see us bubbling up here. But it ain't doing enough to stop it all. There is a lot of rain, guys. A lot of water. I wanted to kind of show everybody what it looked like out here. A lot of rain. I've been showing you through the window and stuff, but a lot of rain. You see us a lot of water. We'll see how much more we get, guys. Some of this lightning here that you're watching was actually strong enough that it knocked out our internet. We had a lot of close lightning strikes, a lot of loud thunder booms. Logan does not like the loud thunder or the lightning. But there was quite a bit of lightning in this storm, so we set the GoPro outside and set it on time lapse so you all could kind of see the lightning show. There appeared to be a lot of lightning in this, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for listening and watching. There's more rain as of this video right now, and we will continue filming and look forward to the next film coming out, guys, as it should show a lot more stuff for sure.